Guys, it's Killer Fishing here today. Today we got another video. We just realized that there are pike in my pond right now. Like, it's like crazy, and it's just like cool. I'm like, Dylan's already fishing over there because my dog like jumped the fence. So I had to bring it back, and Dylan likes to fish without me, so he can probably get something. Let's see if we can get anything.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Big?
Yeah. Oh, wait, maybe not. You might not. Okay, new one. It's not that bad.
Not a bad one. I gotta put on a jig.
Wasn't the guys yesterday. Get those out there.
Just grab them. Nice fish.
So,
just at the
okay, that was the scale right there. Not as I expected. Let's see him go. Yeah, it does. There he goes. Let's get back to fishing. Catch any fish today. I'm gonna see if we can get any tomorrow. We're fishing more at like midday, so they're really not out as much. And let's see if we could probably get anything tomorrow. And let's see what we can get. Alright, so this is the thing we have. I ordered a rod and a reel so I can use to fish now. And pretty cool. So let's undo this. Okay, here we go. Alright. Alright, so this is a Graphite Series reel rod. Rod. Yeah, I meant rod. From Bass Pro. Jeez! Oh my god.
6'6", medium heavy. As you can see, it's a casting rod.
Yeah, it is nice.
Okay.
Alright, and the moment we have been waiting for. Come on, Arvin.
I know.
Alright.
With the hook sharpener.
Yep. It's not dangerous at all. Wait, hold on. No. Don't do that.
It's open. We didn't have a knife. I got it. There.
This is... Alright, we got another box inside.
Are there two in there? If there are two in there, I'm done. Oh, okay. There's not. Oh, that was it. Ooh.
Right there, if you guys can see. From Bass Pro. So I'm so excited for this.
Oh, that looks good.
It's lefty.
What?
It's left-handed.
Oh, that's nice. Wait, hold on. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same as mine.
Alright, look at that. Yeah.
It's the same. No, it's not.
Yeah,
it is. Same side reel, which is what he wanted.
Yeah. I cannot work well with a left or a right. Oh, I do not want to break this stuff.
Yeah, I like the feel of those. Is it smooth?
Yeah.
10 ball bearings.
Dude, this is so nice. Just look at this.
Here, let me feel it.
You always love the feeling of this. It's nice.
Quick's good. I like the feel of those.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. Alright, so we're gonna get this
Spooled up.
yep. We're gonna go fish. Let's see what we can get. Alright, so we have my bait caster set up. I'm gonna take some casts on it, see if we can get a fish. And let's see if I can maybe catch a pike on it, because I'm using a lure that you can catch pike on. So let's see what we can get. Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up today. We only caught one fish in this video, but I did get my new rod and reel, which I'm already getting some problems with, because I keep on getting what are they called again? I totally forgot them again. Yeah, I'm already getting backlashes. So let's hope I don't really get too much more of those. See you in the next video.